Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best vacuums for cleaning up pet hair that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dirt Devil Razor Pet Vacuum Cleaner. This corded Dirt Devil model is one of the most affordable vacuums we recommend. It's designed to swivel around furniture and has a 25-foot cord plus a built-in cleaning wand with a 10-foot reach, allowing you to remove hair, dirt and dust from small or elevated spaces like the tops of door frames and above curtain rods. You can turn off the rotating brush roll when cleaning hard floors like wood and tile, which Zach Newman, a product expert at pet supplies retailer Chewy, says is an ideal feature to look for. Rotating brush rolls help deep clean carpets, but may be too harsh for hard floors like wood or tile. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kenmore 600 series friendly lightweight bagged canister vacuum. Kenmore's canister vacuum has a 2-motor system to provide extra powerful suction, according to the brand. Its swivel head helps you maneuver around furniture and it has a built-in telescoping wand that extends up to 10 feet to help you clean small spaces. The vacuum has a 28-foot cord and the motorized brush head lifts grime off surfaces while preventing hair from tangling around it. You can turn the rotating brush head off while cleaning hard floors and store the included attachments inside the vacuum. At number 3, we have the Tineco Pure 1S11 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. When I bought my Tineco vacuum, I realized how much value there is in investing in a high-quality model specifically designed with pets in mind. This vacuum's LED headlights illuminated pet hair I'd previously been missing and the powerful suction cleaned it up quickly. Beyond getting rid of hair, this vacuum easily sucks up cat food crumbs and cat litter, too. I love that the vacuum can sense dirt and automatically adjusts its suction power accordingly. The vacuum's LED screen also shows you a status report with information like whether the brush roll is tangled or the air channel is blocked. My favorite feature is that this vacuum converts into a handheld vacuum, allowing me to easily spot clean small messes or add the included tube to reach elevated surfaces. One full charge gives you 40 minutes of runtime, according to the brand. At number 2, we have the Shark WS642 AEW WANDVAC system. Rebecca Rodriguez, NBC Select Editorial Projects Manager, shares her home with 2 cats, and since Shark sent her this vacuum, she says her floors have never been cleaner. There's a button on the vacuum's handle to switch between designated cleaning modes for carpet and bare floors, and its brush head cleans itself so you don't have to worry about hair getting tangled. The appliance also converts into a handheld vacuum with a long wand so you can reach areas like above doors, under furniture and stairs. Rodriguez's favorite feature of this vacuum is that it empties itself when docked in the included charging base, which is built with a compartment that holds up to 30 days of debris. Rodriguez says watching dust, dirt, pet hair and more get sucked from the dustbin into the base is so satisfying and makes the cleaning process more convenient. And finally at number 1, we have the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The design of this cordless Dyson stick vacuum is similar to the Tineco one above. It offers 3 adjustable levels of suction power and separately converts into a handheld vacuum lightweight enough to reach elevated surfaces. Dyson's vacuum gives you up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge, according to the brand, and its main cleaner head has a motorized brush roll to automatically clean wrapped hair from the brush while in use. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon